Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: a supported iPhone and a compatible infotainment system. Plug in a certified Lightning cable if your car requires wired CarPlay. If the car supports wireless, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Then, unlock your phone and grant the trust prompt. This is critical. Once done, open Settings on the iPhone, tap General, then CarPlay to search for available connections. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked during initial pairing, so the system can register the device. You continue by completing the actual pairing and enabling process. For a wired connection, plug into the specific USB port. Many cars have one labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon, and the head unit should detect the iPhone immediately. For wireless setups, pair your phone over Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi connection to carry CarPlay data. Once the vehicle appears in settings, right arrow General, right arrow CarPlay. Tap it and choose to enable or customize the layout. This links your apps and shortcuts to the car's display. You finish by customizing and verifying everything works on the road. Arrange apps in settings, right arrow CarPlay, so your most used apps are front and center, then test navigation and audio briefly before driving. If CarPlay fails to appear, restart both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system, then reconnect. Often a simple reboot resolves handshake glitches. If that does not help, swap the Lightning cable, update iOS and the head unit firmware, and reattempt pairing. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.